memory comes back fast. City lights distort my face, like I vanished without a trace. Late night driving through the storm, nothing feels like home anymore. Every thought cuts through my chest, like my mind won't let me rest. Streetlights flicker blue and white, while I'm losing sleep tonight. Every silence feels too loud, even when there's no one around. And I know something's breaking in my soul, and I know I can't escape this. Reflections on the door, I don't know me anymore. Every room feels incomplete, like the ghost still lives with me. Television static glow, blue light bleeding through the smoke. Every message left unread keeps repeating in my head. Thunder shaking through the walls, like my mind before it falls. I keep searching for escape, but the rain just stays the same. Hear the noise inside my veins, feel the static in the rain. Every step feels out of phase, every prayer gets lost in haze. And I know something's breaking in my soul, and I know I can't escape this. Overload! This is war inside my head, no way back from what I became. Hands are shaking, heart still racing, I can't outrun all this pain. Cut the silence, cut the wire, I'm still standing in the fire. Static in the rain tonight, I still find what's deep inside. Every scar became a lie, somehow I survived the night. Static in the rain, hear me now. Even if I break somehow, I won't disappear again. I'll survive the storm I'm in. Rain on the glass, static in my